What is up, guys? Scott with Never Hedge back for another Nio Inc. update, and we've got a gigantic gap here in the pre-market which will need to be filled at some point. That is going to be something to look out for today just after market open. Looks like we are doing pretty good at up 84, 85 cents plus getting close to plus 2% there. First thing that jumps out at me, MACD is looking super bullish right now, and RSI almost into that overbought category, and we do have some big news out for Nio. Came out yesterday. So first, let's go over to Ortex, and first thing that jumps out at me here, 17 buy alerts. Price target 61.56, potential return close to 40%. That is huge. Let's check out the short interest. This is not a heavily shorted stock for good reason, as the fundamentals are very good. Yeah, short interest is low. Not a ton of FTDs, as we can see here, down around 360K, a high of 1.25 million. That's kind of a lot, but right now 69,000 is pretty low. And we'll go over to, they did put out an 8K yesterday, or I'm sorry, 6K yesterday. Form 6K, August 3rd, 2021. Go right into that. Shanghai, China. Nio Inc., pioneer and a leading company in the premium smart electric vehicle market, today announced its July 2021 delivery results. Nio delivered 7,931 vehicles in July 2021, representing a strong 124.5% year-over-year growth. The deliveries consisted of 1,702 ES8s, the company's 6-seater or 7-seater flagship premium smart electric SUV, 3,669 ES6s, the company's 5-seater high-performance premium smart electric SUV, and 2,560 EC6s, the company's 5-seater premium smart electric coupe. As of July 31st, 2021, cumulative deliveries of the ES8, ES6, and EC6 reached 125,528 vehicles. Very nice. All right, we've got a couple of small institutional buys on this from today. Lake Point Wealth Management picked up 753 shares, CX Institutional 103, and we have a couple larger ones from yesterday. Riley Financial Advisors picked up 1,352, and Dodora Capital Inc. picked up 6,068. A lot of good things coming out in the future for this company. And short interest, not heavily shorted. Like I said earlier, short interest percentage of the float is only 4.89, and the short interest days to cover is only 1.01. Lots of shares available to short, as they do have a pretty big float at, I believe they have over 1 billion shares outstanding. Yeah, outstanding shares 1.64 billion, so that is enormous. From Simply Wall Street, with strong deliveries and the new backing of China, Nio Inc. is positioned to become a major player. Investors of Nio Inc. had a good week as its shares rose 6.2% to close at $45.85 following the release of its first quarter results and the more recent vehicle deliveries report. In a twist of events, China is also moving both to back and protect electrical vehicle manufacturers. In the report released on the 2nd of August, Nio outlines their deliveries. Again, we covered that already. With this, Nio shows that it is in a tight contest with other Chinese EV manufacturers in Li Auto, which delivered 89 vehicles in July, and XPeng, which delivered 8,040. It seems that Chinese EV manufacturers are in a tight race not to stay behind between the competition regarding vehicle deliveries. Considering cumulative numbers, Nio is the clear leader in this category, and we do have Q2 earnings for Nio scheduled August 11th. We want to get a better picture of what to expect both in short and long term. Q1 earnings, Nio beat revenue forecast by a solid 17%, hitting Chinese yuan 8.0 billion. Statutory losses also blew out, with a loss per share reaching 3.14 Chinese yuan, some 216% bigger than analysts expected. So Deutsche Bank reports that delivery numbers are lower due to the ES8s sent to Norway. Otherwise, Nio would have delivered around 8,500 vehicles. And Nio faced supply chain constraints during the month, and we also note that any units shipped to Norway have not been counted yet. And we also have Citigroup raising the Nio price target to $72 from $58. That is huge. Huge. Again, guys, good things coming out for this one. We've got earnings on August 11th, so we're going to be keeping an eye out for that. So as always, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more updates on Nio, as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.